Warning, warning, warning. If you are an Uber driver, you could be at risk of getting scammed and losing all of your hard earnings. Okay, we're gonna talk about how not to get scammed and how not to fall for this scam, all right? Somebody just hacked into my Uber driver account. I know I was a victim of this, so we're gonna talk about everything, but please do not click away from this video. I wanna thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an incredible business app for gig workers, and right now, when you sign up with our unique link, they're gonna send you $10 simply for signing up and showing proof that you're an active gig driver. You have an active gig account. They help you manage your income, track your mileage. They have some really cool, awesome features, and you can even sign up for these little guaranteed shifts here where you go out and you earn a guaranteed amount, 37 bucks for Uber. So sign up with our link below, get $10 for free right now. This is a limited time, $10 bonus just for signing up, and let's dive in. So, Uber driver loses week's wages in scam. This just happened, my friends. 2 days ago, this article was published by Greg Collier. The scam we're going to talk about today exclusively targets rideshare drivers. Even though the majority of our readers probably aren't rideshare drivers, we think this story can be useful to other readers as well. Not only does it show how gig economy workers can be vulnerable to scams, we also think it's commentary on how some gig economy companies treat their workers. The victim in today's story is an Uber driver from Salt Lake City. He loves his work and seems to be very successful. Rather than driving as a means to make extra money, the driver does it full time and is able to make a comfortable living. So this driver's full-time wages just got taken from him. Holy smokes. We're gonna see what Uber did in response. My guess is Uber said, "Ha, sorry, the money's gone, bozo." Last week, the man received a call from someone claiming to be Uber. The caller said that the driver had received a complaint and needed to issue a refund. He was instructed to log into the Uber app and given instructions on how to issue the supposed refund. What actually happened is that scammers were directing him to issue $1,200 directly to the scammers. This wiped out a week's worth of wages for the drivers. Our story doesn't end there. The driver reached out to Uber for assistance, who said they investigated the matter, but the man wasn't due for a refund. It wasn't until the driver reached out to his local media before Uber issued him a refund. Yeah, you gotta go to the media if you need a refund. Our earning to not only rideshare drivers, but other gig economy workers. If you receive a phone call from the company you're working for about your earnings, contact them through the official channels before issuing any supposed refunds. You may also want to research how refunds are actually handled beforehand so you know what a scam is and what isn't. So let's watch this video.
A rideshare driver has a warning for others after he says he was scammed out of hundreds of dollars. He drove just about every day last week and then suddenly had nothing in his account to show for it.
Driving every single day and then boom.
After nearly 5 years behind the wheel.
I love it. I love meeting people.
Uber driver Cody Webb's part-time hustle.
It's just been crazy busy.
Has turned into his full-time job.
No pun intended, but a great ride. So.
Everything was headed in the right direction until an unexpected call this weekend.
This 959-255-8769.
A person claiming to be with Uber support notifying him of a complaint from a passenger who said Webb's photo didn't match the app.
I thought that was odd that there was a complaint.
The caller told him they were investigating and would get back to him.
The second number they called me.
Later that day, the caller gave him a card number to enter into the Uber app to reimburse him for the ride in question. But as soon as Webb entered the number,
the money went out of my wallet. It was missing.
Crazy.
$137.43.
1,200 bucks gone just like that. That's a lot of money for 1 week, by the way. I mean, what is that? 300, 200 bucks? Oh, almost $200 a day.
So that's when I realized, I was like, oh my gosh, I just got scammed.
About a week's worth of work.
We're left with nothing. We can't even pay our rent.
Webb got a hold of the actual Uber support team.
And with the amount of gas and wear and tear you're putting on your car, it's not just you lose 1,200 bucks. You're now negative at least 500 bucks, right?
If you get a call claiming they're from Uber support, don't engage with them.
Messages show Uber acknowledged he had been scammed.
There's no evidence to suggest that your account was compromised.
But when he asked about a reimbursement,
after reviewing your account, we've determined that you're ineligible for a refund.
Wow, Uber left him in the dust.
It's been a stressful...
Oh my God, I literally hate Uber. I'm sorry, guys. Uber literally sucks. Gosh. Can't Uber like, oh yeah, we understand you've been scammed and you're not getting a refund. I hate Uber. Okay, I'm gonna end the video there, guys. Let me know if you've ever been scammed. Please watch out for that. But yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, if you ever get some weird phone call from somebody pretending to be Uber, don't answer it. Only, gosh, Uber honestly just is horrible. I'm just gonna end the video there. So anyways, guys, sign up for Solo with the link below. If you are an Uber, I'm sorry, but somebody hacked into my account and my account still is in shambles. And I still can't even go online with Uber. So I'm very salty and biased, but I'm sure so many of you guys have had great experiences. So sign up for Solo with the link in the description box down below. They will be sending every one of you guys $10 for signing up with our link and linking your gig account. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.